So now that we're ready to start this assignment, you've worked really hard this past week. So technically, this assignment is pretty easy using Canva, but it's more of a thinking assignment. So first thing you want to do is you want to find your advertisement. So you think about, what your sort of message is that you want to sort of examine. So I'm just looking at and health and fast food. So I'm just looking at McDonald's advertisements. And remember, the key to this is having a really strong image. Is you need to start off with a strong, high quality image. So when you're in your Google Images, if you remember, you have to go to Tools, Size, and you want to click Large. Now, immediately, this stood out to me. So I'm going to save the image, and then we're ready to go. One thing I really like about Canva is just the fact that you can, like, if I go to save image, you see like it's this is a WEBP file. There's like all these different files that you can download now from the internet, but what's nice, Canva seems to accept all of them. Anyway, so I've got that downloaded. So I'm going to go, we're using Canva, so I'm going to create a new design. Now I'm going to do a flyer. I can either do it portrait or I can do it landscape. So my image is probably better landscape just because of it. So I'm just going to type in flyer. Oh, there's a landscape one. Perfect. There we go. Okay. And everybody's trying to sell this stuff. Okay, so now we're all ready to go. I'm going to upload my original file, and I just happen to have it here already. Okay, so now we're ready to go. All right, I got to make this nice and big. Now, I want to show you. It's okay if it doesn't fill up the whole page. It's okay. So, this is the original image. Now, what really stood out to me was that line, "You can't run." I thought, okay, that's awful, because if you're eating like a lot of fast food, like, just take out "you can't run." Like, anyway, so that really stood out from us. And then "you can't run us from us forever," thinking about what the message is trying to say. It's so yummy and it's so good, and you can't, we're irresistible, we're everywhere. Now, I don't know about you, but I've never seen any hamburger from McDonald's look like this, right? They're usually smushed, and so of course there's lots of advertising techniques to make that look really yummy and mouth-watering, right? And they don't even have the word McDonald's on there. Like, they are so popular and advertised so much, is that those that the famous golden arches, is everywhere, right? So in terms of the colors, the red background, the yellow I'm just looking at those sorts of things. That's part of their brand and part of their colors, right? Just a side note, just a little bit about McDonald's. I know that they make it pretty addictive, and I know they put like sugar like in their buns, and that's why their buns taste really good. And of course, sugar is addictive. So you think about kids and Happy Meals, and oh, I want. It makes you want to have more, right? And that's like the fries, they make extra salty, so you'd be thirsty, so you get those bigger drinks. Another, just a really interesting, just side note fact about McDonald's: do you know that they are the biggest reseller of toys? Which is crazy, because they're not even like, more than like toy stores like Toys R Us, Walmart, things like that. They don't even sell toys, but it's because of their Happy Meals. Anyway, but so now we're all ready to get started. So on next, I got to show you some cool things that we can do on Canva that just make it so easy for us to change. In the past, we'd have to, like, find font that's similar to this, and paint over top of it and add layers and try and mimic stuff. But I want to show you something now that is magical that just came out in Canva. I'm going to click on my image. I'm going to go to edit, and they have this amazing new tool that just came out. It's called Magic Layers. I'm going to click on that. What it's doing, it's going to create the font, the hamburger, the logo, the background. It's going to separate them all into separate layers. Like, isn't this beautiful? Like, look at this. Oh, just one second. They're all clicked. Sorry. So now I can click on this and I can move it around. And that means all of this stuff I can edit, I can make bigger. Isn't that amazing? So this makes it really easy for this assignment. So now so it says "you can't run from," all I'm going to change is the truth. You can't run from the truth. So I'm just going to play with this. So I love this because now it keeps exactly the same font. There's some shadowing in there, everything. I think what I'm going to do is I really want to emphasize the word truth. So another cool thing about Canva and their magic layers is I want to change the color of this font. I need to stay with the same color scheme that is in this image, but also that McDonald's uses, like the red and the yellows and things like that. So anyway, to change color of font, you just click on this, but look how wonderful this is. This shows you the colors that are used already in the image that you're using. So I'm going to just pick that. So that way, I'm going to change it to that. Change the text color. That way, everything's consistent. Isn't that cool? Okay. Now, so I want to I'm going with the health thing. Okay. So what I want to try, I'm thinking that, again, we don't want to overemphasize stuff because remember, we want to change two visual details in this. So I was going to, for this one, I'm going to do, like the flat line. I don't know, like the heart monitor. I don't want to over explain it. The challenge for this is to be really witty with your imagery. So I kind of think something like this might be cool. This might be a good one. I'm going to pick this one here. Okay. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to pick this one. I think I'd like it to be flipped. So I'm going to flip it. So it's more that way. Now I want to change the color so it stands out. So any of my graphics, I can just click it. Like I just changed the color here. And again, look at the colors already there in the design. That looks perfect. Okay. I think what I want to do is I want the idea of it not being healthy. And I'm going to move that over for a little bit. And I'm going to move this hamburger here. I kind of want it to kind of look like the idea again, like the hamburger is kind of like the end of the flat line. So right now I have the flat line kind of heartbeat thing over top of the hamburger. I'd like actually that hamburger to be over top of there. So I can hit the three dots. I can go layer. I can send forward a little bit. Front. There we go. So now it's on top. Now something else that's kind of cool with Canva, if I go to position, then they have all the layers. Oops, here we go. Just like we were using in Photopea, right? Just look at all those cool layers and you can move stuff up and down if you want. Canva is so lovely. All right. So, I mean, I could leave that. That's not bad. But I think what I want to do is I want to emphasize sort of the idea of like I don't think I want to leave that colorful. I think my second element that I want to change is I want to sort of change the color of this. I want to make it look kind of black and white so it's kind of feels more dead looking. So if I want to adjust any of the colors, I have my image. I'm going to go to edit. And there's lots of really neat things that we do. We're going to come back to that. There's different styles. There's different filters. But what I think I want to show you first is the adjust. And we looked at this already with, in the surreal thing. And we can make it lighter, darker. We can make it weird. We can make it kind of looking gross, like not appetizing. We can make it kind of gross. I think what I want to do, maybe I'll change the saturation. I'm going to make it black and white. Okay. I think I'm going to do that. I just wanted the idea that, it's black and white. This is so cool. Even the shadows over top of there. I think I'm happy with that. Okay. So that's one thing that I can do. I'm going to show you something else. So I'm going to upload that same advertisement. Right. And remember, I'm going to go to edit, magic layers. It's going to separate everything for you. I want to show you a cool thing, magic edit, because I can play around with, adding some of the stuff that it has on here, right? And I can connect it, but this isn't great. It's not a lot of Photoshop stuff yet. We don't really have time to kind of do all the editing, but I want to show you something kind of cool, right? So again, I'm going to put, you can't run from the truth. Okay. I think what I want to do is I want to look at the idea of the money that's kind of like behind McDonald's, how like the kind of greedy, the money kind of over top of health, and they're kind of like maybe some of the stuff is unethical. So I want to kind of play around with that hamburger image, right? So my idea is I'm going to go to edit. and I want to show you something cool. It's called Magic Edit. And I mean, this isn't perfect, but there's some cool stuff you can do. What I'm thinking is that maybe instead of the leaves, it's going to be dollar bills. So I'm going to say replace the lettuce with dollar bills. Generate. So it should hopefully put money underneath there instead. So then I can start talking about like McDonald's as a corporation. Look how cool that is. Something else I thought would be kind of cool is I wanted to replace maybe the sesame seeds with like little pills, but the idea of it being addictive, and fast food being an addiction, but it's sort of like it wouldn't let me do that, I think, just because it's a Canva for education thing. Another thing that maybe I can do is I want to change the ketchup to dripping blood. I don't know if it's going to let me do this or not, but let's see. It's a little bit gory, but let's see. I mean, it's fine just the way it is with the money, but it's kind of fun. Put dripping blood on it. I mean, there's lots of really neat tools that we use. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so I really like that. That looks kind of cool. All right, so that might be another option. So something else that I could do is maybe I'll show you maybe this logo here. I want to change that to, I'll show you, I already uploaded it, but what I did is I searched for just the McDonald's logo. Actually, I'm going to add a page. So I'm doing a few examples. You just have to make one. Okay, there's a McDonald's logo. What I think I want to do, instead of having that M there, I think I'm going to replace it with, instead of McDonald's, I'm going to make it say McMoney. So I'm going to separate those, so magic layers, so I can just easily change that. And then I'm sort of emphasizing the idea I'm talking about money. So I'm just trying to show you a bunch of different options. You know how to use surrealism to change colors and upload different images. There's lots of things that you can do. Okay, this is edible. I'm going to get rid of that background. We don't need that. I don't know why that's there. Anyway, I'm going to change this same font. Make money. Right, I'm going to have that there maybe instead. I'm going to change maybe that to white. Blah, blah, blah. Actually, no, I'm going to leave that. That white, this black area, let's see if I can change that. No, it won't let me. Anyway, you can fool around with it more. But I think now if I have this logo, if I highlight them both together, I can edit them together. I can actually group them together now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring that up here. So I'm going to get rid of this. So now maybe it's the McMoney burger. Right? Anyway, lots of fun. So those are just a few options. There's so much stuff that you can do, right? Now, again, it's about being witty. I just want to show you a couple more things that are really cool, okay? Some things that you might want to do is, let's see. What I did is I took a picture of a dude, right? And if you remember how to remove backgrounds? I was just sort of thinking is maybe, in some advertisements, you want to maybe, this is a guy, he's supposed to be, I'm assuming that he's a model, right? I'm going to Control C for copy, Control V for paste. I'm going to take him now, and there's a lot of things I can edit. Maybe I want to play with, maybe I want him to look ugly. Actually, not even that. I think I'm going to invert the colors. They go scroll down to color. Ooh, now he's creepy. I'm going to make him, I don't know, maybe I could change the whole image. Maybe I can make him half like real good looking and then expose stuff underneath. That might be an option. Another thing that I can do, instead of inverting the colors, go to edit. There's so much stuff that you can do in here, okay? So there's different styles. I can make him look like he's at a goal. I can make him look pixeled. This one's not too bad pixeled, but I want to show you something kind of cool. There's all these different apps that you can add that do some really, really cool stuff. I've already done something kind of neat. Where the heck did it go? I'm almost done. It's to make it like pixeled. You know how like things look blurry, and I can like decide like how blurry I want them to be. You know how there's some things that are kind of blurred out. Anyway, I just thought this was kind of cool. Maybe this might be kind of neat, right? So maybe in like a beauty advertisement, I can do that to their faces, right? Maybe I just want his face done. Maybe I can do them half and half, right? As long as it's like how cool that looks. Anyway, there's lots of really, really neat things that you can do with this, okay? So again, there's play around with all the different options, right? But the whole idea at the very end is to make sure that you have an image that looks that's not you're not over explaining it, okay? So you want to make sure that you're changing the text and you're doing two visual changes to some of the images, okay? Now you just need one if you want to do a couple, because sometimes, like if I keep going, they're probably going to get better and better. So to hand this in, you go to share and you go to download it. You want it as a PNG, and because I would make it as high as quality as possible, right? Now, if you did multiple pages, then that's fine. It will download as a zip file, which is fine because then I can open it. But if you're doing multiple pages and you're just doing one at a time, then just click on, just that page and it will download that one. So just a reminder, what you're handing in is you're going to hand in your original photo to me so I can see the original advertisement that you're doing. And then you're going to hand it in your Culture Jam, your remix photo. And then there's a quick reflection that you're going to hand in too. Okay. So this should be a lot of fun. But this, again, you want to make sure you're doing this with purpose.